Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon everyone. Today we are here to discuss about the review of the writer which he has given for the book The Old Man and the Sea. So basically it is the story of an old man who tried his hard to catch a fish. He is an experienced Cuban fisherman and here a character is given that is Manolin. He is a young boy who is a apprentice of the old man. Apprentice means in simple words we can say a intern जो अपने एक्सपीरियंस लेने के लिए या उस फील्ड में और बेटर तरीके से जानने के लिए किसी के अंडर वर्क करता है. सो बेसिकली जो क्यूबन फिशरमैन है, एक ओल्ड मैन, वो एक बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस फिशरमैन है और 84 डेज से वो कोई भी फिश को कैच नहीं कर पा रहा. ही इज़ नॉट सक्सेस, ही गॉट नो सक्सेस टू कैच एनी फिश. So one day he tried to go farther away from other fishermen and catch a more valuable fish, that is a marlin fish, and he gets success. On the 85th day, he succeeds in hooking a marlin with his bait, but the marlin is too strong for him. The old man is physically not that much strong, but the marlin fish is too strong. He keeps on pulling the fish. But after 3 days of hard work, he finally gets success and he catches that fish and he ties that fish on the side of a boat from here. So this is the short summary given about this book, and we will look at other social historical context. And in addition, I want to tell the moral of the story. The moral is at the end of the story, the young men do not get any success basically, but the moral is if we have a strong mindset, we can be destroyed, but we can never be defeated. Thank you. Now I would request Mahin to tell us more about the social and historical context of this book.
Social and historical context. As Hemingway's this novel is fictional, but it is based upon the true event that happened with him in the past. He had shared his experience and information through this novel. He had experience of fishing in Cuban water, and he also liked baseball, just like an old man. Basically, he is a big fan of baseball. During the First World War, he also worked for Red Cross. Red Cross, it is an organization that provides medicines, food, and shelter to the sufferers. Once when he was driving an ambulance, he was injured by a shrapnel. Shrapnel is a weapon, and when this weapon blasts, anyone can die due to its fragment. So due to this, he was hospitalized for 6 months in the age of 18. He had many surgeries. He always talked about that we must fight against it, and when you will face it, your willpower and tolerance will help you to win. And this was a true event that happened with him in the past, and he wrote it in this novel.
Yes, ma'am. The man is also very close to death at the end of the novel. But as we know that the story of his suffering and loss will always live in the memory of the people of his village. In the end, this story means story of fisherman become a success because the stories of his life will live even after his death. This novel was published in 1950 when people were trying to recover from the mass destruction happened by 2 world wars. So basically, First World War held from 1914 to 1918. Estimated 14 million people were died. Hence, Second World War held from 1939 to 1945, and estimated 16 million people were died. Mass destruction means a weapon that can destroy entire cities, buildings, etc. This story of struggle and get a success in the end immediately touches a chord with the readers. Have you read this book?
Yes,
What is your favorite part of it?
I love his writing style.
Can you please explain me what's his writing style?
Yeah, sure. Hemingway's language is simple and pithy. Pithy means brief. He mostly writes in short and straightforward sentences. He uses very few words to express his thoughts and ideas. Most importantly, the reader will not get bored reading his book. He can read his work again and again and find new layers of meaning every time.
about this book.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I read the book like a few years ago, and I was left unimpressed because the vivid image of the old man reminds me of an old man holding on fishing and with his full strength. But it was not of my taste. But recently I read it and it was amazing, and I extremely moved on. And especially the Hemingway described the scene and the sea creatures. It was extremely beautiful, and I was really confused when where should I sympathies should go, like with Marlin or with the old man, because the Marlin also fights with his full strength to lose. That's what my thought is, and that novel was extremely amazing.
Yeah, but I think the old man, his character was nice.
Yeah.
Because he tried his best in his way, and he was destroyed at the end, but he was not defeated.
Yeah, but
So-
I like Marlin also because he fights with his full strength. Yeah, that's
So basically, guys, we need to set a very strong mindset, and then mark my words, we can always get destroyed, but never can be defeated. Thank you.
Thank you.